does an open container allow a search, a further search of a motor vehicle? All right. Hey guys, my name is Anthony Bandiero, attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you a roadside chat. This question comes from an officer in Texas. Scenario: Texas officer conducts a traffic. It's going to apply to anywhere, by the way, for the most part. Texas officer conducts a traffic stop for speeding. While at the window, he observes a can of beer in the center console. Driver confirms that's an open beer, right? So open container is not an arrestable offense in Texas, and the driver is not suspected of being intoxicated. Obviously, we can ask the driver to hand over the beer, but in this scenario, he refuses. Is this probable cause to search the passenger compartment in order to A, enter the vehicle and retrieve the plain view evidence, and search for additional open containers? This is going to be a hard yes. Okay, so I've built up a collection of some of these cases, but the best case that summarizes cases from around the United States is State versus Rincon. It's 2022. Actually, it's from Iowa, and it's February 18, 2022. So I'll put this in the description below, and it'll have a bunch of other cases that they have summarized. But basically, the idea is that, look, is the open container evidence? Check. Do you have probable cause that, is there a fair probability that more containers could be in the vehicle? Right, check. So imagine that we're not going to arrest this person. We're just going to, at the most, cite them. And do you want to get the other open, if they have more open containers, do you want to get those out of the vehicle before letting them loose, right? And the answer is yes. Also, the way I also look at it is some people are like, but Anthony, you're one and done, right? You have one can of beer, you get one citation. I'm not going to give you, if you have a 6-pack of, let's say, open containers, you have 6 open containers, I'm not going to give you 6 citations. And I say, that's fine, but let the court decide the punishment. I mean, maybe the court is going to be less lenient, right, on a person driving around with 6 open containers than they are with 1 open container. So that's part of the criminal justice process, is to find the evidence against the person that helps convict them, show, ill intent, that they actually, they're flagrant violators of the open container law, and so forth. So the point is, just because the law does not require that once you have enough evidence that you stop searching, you get to recover the other evidence as well. I hope that makes sense. Again, look at the cases in the description. There's a ton of them. It's going to help you, if you want to research this issue further. And until next time, my friends, stay safe. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing before you leave, I would appreciate it.